Hello viewers, in this video I will explain how to use a LaTeX editor and LaTeX compiler and from where we can download these softwares. It is a free software. It's available for Windows, Mac and other open source softwares. And here I am working on a platform of Texstudio. This is the LaTeX editor. For using LaTeX, we need two softwares. One is LaTeX compiler and another is LaTeX editor. LaTeX editor is just like a editing window where we insert all our documents that to be printed on a PDF file. And now I will show you from where we can download these two softwares. One is LaTeX compiler and another is LaTeX editor. Please go to this website MiKTeX.org/download. From this website you can download MiKTeX. It's a LaTeX compiler. Different versions are available: Windows, Mac, Linux, and it's around 230 MB size. So use this download link to download this file and install this file in your system. And after that you need to install an editor. The best editor, there are different type of editors are available, and among them the best editor is Texstudio. And use this website. Please go to this link texstudio.org to download the editor. So here you can see that a download link. Tap on that link and download it directly into your drive and install it. Now we downloaded two softwares. One is the MiKTeX softwares, and which is a compiler, and the another one is the Texstudio, the editor. So what is the difference between the compiler and editor is you will write the program, the LaTeX program in the LaTeX editor, and when you hit the this run button, build and view button, so on the back end the compiler will run and it will convert your program to a text file, so which is used to set up this PDF document. Now see that after installing this MiKTeX and Texstudio, so this is the interface, the user interface of the Texstudio. You write your program. So watch my previous video to how to set up this program of how to use different type of LaTeX command to change the font, to make different type of the font size for the mathematical parameters. Everything is detailedly explained in my previous videos. Please watch it, and you will come to know about what is the difference between using all these LaTeX syntaxes. Here I used many syntaxes, which is all I illustrated in my previous videos, but I am not coming to that point. I just in this video I just explaining only what is the MiKTeX and what is the Texstudio. So the compiler and the editor. So after installing, just develop your code and hit this button and just look straight onto the PDF version. This is the PDF version. If you hit this button, this is external viewer, so you can directly access the PDF file, which you can put into your pen drive or you can upload into your email. Yeah, this is pretty. This is the PDF file. So please watch my video, and you will get the description of this website everything in my video description. Download it and start using this website. Wonderful text software.